Hi, good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Dear children, I am so glad you all are doing the activities well. So, I congratulate each and everyone. Okay, dear children, let's start our English class. In the last class, we discussed some activities related to the story Three Butterflies. Today, we will look at the rest of the activities. Okay, are you ready? All of you take your textbook, page number 45. This is project work. The butterflies are your friends. There are a lot of beings in and around your house. Collect their pictures and paste them in your notebook. Write a short description of each one of them. You may write its name, color, size, other features of appearance, food habits, where they live, etc. Dear students, our first activity is project work. Okay? ചിത്രശലഭങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ കൂട്ടുകാരാണ് അല്ലേ? എല്ലാവർക്കും ചിത്രശലഭങ്ങളെ വളരെ ഇഷ്ടമാണ്. നിങ്ങളുടെ വീട്ടിലും പരിസരത്തും ധാരാളം ജീവികളുണ്ട്. നിങ്ങൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണമെന്നറിയോ? അവയുടെ ചിത്രങ്ങൾ ശേഖരിച്ച് നിങ്ങളുടെ നോട്ട് ബുക്കിൽ പതിക്കണം. എന്നിട്ട് അവയെക്കുറിച്ച് ഒരു ചെറു വിവരണം എഴുതുക. ഓക്കെ? ഡു യു നോ എനി ബീയിങ്സ് നെയിം? ഡു യു നോ any being's name? Please say loudly. Yes, ant, beetle, earthworms. Next, honeybee, housefly. Yes, lizard, rat, and dragonfly, etc. are the beings. Okay, I show just one example. Okay, dragonflies. Dragonflies have large compound eyes, which is their main sense organ. They have 4 strong transparent wings and a long tail. They eat mosquitoes and other small insects such as flies, bees, ants and butterflies. Okay, do you understand? This is just an example. There are lot of beings in and around your house. Collect their pictures and paste them in your notebook. Write a short description about it. Okay, dear children, let's look next activity. Okay, all of you take page number 46. Page number 46. Okay, then all of you look at the picture carefully and fill in the blanks in the passage with suitable words from the box given at the side of the picture. What do you see in this picture? Dear children, what do you see in this picture? Please say. Yes, we can see many flowers, stones. Okay, then plants. Okay, then 2 butterflies. Yeah, a kitten, a bird. Yes, say loudly. Yes, sky, etc. Okay? Okay, dear children, all of you look at the box and read the words loudly. Okay, first one, cloudy. First word, cloudy. What is the meaning cloudy? Yes, മേഘാവൃതമായ അല്ലേ? മേഘം കൊണ്ട് നിറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നു. Next word, petals. petals. What is the meaning petals? Yes, dhalangal. പൂവിൻ്റെ ഫ്ലവേഴ്സിൻ്റെ ധളങ്ങൾ. Okay. Next word. Please read. Yes, motionlessly. Motionlessly. What is the meaning? Yes, നിശ്ചലമായ, അനങ്ങാതിരിക്കുക, നിശ്ചലമായിരിക്കുന്നതിനാണ് motionlessly. Okay, next word. Pebbles. Pebbles. What is the meaning? Yes, ചെറിയ ഉരുളൻ കല്ലുകൾ. Okay, next word. Shelter. Next word. Shelter. What is the meaning? Yes, അഭയസ്ഥാനം. Shelter, അഭയസ്ഥാനം. Okay, next word. Sucking. Sucking, നുകരുക. Sucking meaning നുകരുക. Okay, next word. Gracefully. Gracefully. What is the meaning gracefully? Yes, happily, സന്തോഷത്തോടെ. Okay, next word. Chasing. Chasing, പിന്തുടരുക. Okay. Wings. What is the meaning wings? Yes, ചിറക്. Okay, all of you understand the meaning of all words? All of you understand the meaning of these words? Okay. Okay, dear children, let's look the passage. Are you ready? Yes. This is Ammu's garden. This is Ammu's garden. There are many flowers in the garden. Smooth, white, dash fill in the garden path. Smooth, white, dash. Which word is suitable here? Please say, which word is suitable here? Yes, white, pebbles. All of you look in the garden. What do you see here? The garden path. What do you see here? Yes, white pebbles. White pebbles. Okay. Read once more. Smooth white pebbles fill the garden path. Okay, let's look next sentence. A butterfly is dash flying round a flower. Which is suitable word here? Please find out. Yes, gracefully. Okay, read the sentence once more. A butterfly is gracefully flying round a flower. Butterfly വളരെ സന്തോഷത്തോടെ ഫ്ലവറിന് ചുറ്റും പറക്കുന്നു. Okay, let's look next sentence. Another one is sitting on a flower. All of you look here. Another butterfly is sitting on a flower dash. വേറൊരു ബട്ടർഫ്ലൈ ഇവിടെ കാണുന്നുണ്ട്. ആ ബട്ടർഫ്ലൈ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഇവിടെ ഇരിക്കുന്നത്? ഫ്ലവറിന് മുകളിൽ എങ്ങനെയാണ് ഇരിക്കുന്നത്? Which is suitable word? Yes, motionlessly. Very good. Read once more. Another one is sitting on a flower motionlessly. Okay, next one. It is dash nectar from the flower. Yes, butterfly ഇവിടെ എന്താ ചെയ്യുന്നത്? It is dash nectar from the flower. Please say, which word is suitable here? Yes, sucking. Please read once more. It is sucking nectar from the flower. Okay. Okay, all of you look next sentence. The dash of the flower are yellow. The dash of the flower are yellow. All of you look at the garden. Yes, a butterfly is sitting on a flower. The days of the flower are yellow. All of you look here. What is yellow color here? Yes, the flower petals. The petals of the flower are yellow. Very good. Let's look next sentence. There is a kitten. Do you see kitten? Yes? Can you see? Yes, there is a kitten dash a green grasshopper. There is a kitten chasing a green grasshopper. Okay, let's look next sentence. The sky is dash. The sky is dash. All of you look here. All of you look at the sky. What do you see here? Yes, the sky is cloudy. Okay, next. It may rain. Cloudy. മേഘം കൊണ്ട് ആകാശം നിറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നു. മേഘത്താൽ മൂടപ്പെട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. മഴ പെയ്തേക്കാം. മഴ വരുന്നുണ്ട് എന്ന് അറിയിക്കുകയാണ്. A small bird is flapping its dash. All of you look here. A small bird is flapping. What is the meaning flapping? അടിക്കുന്നുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? What? A small bird is flapping its dash. Please say. What is a suitable word here? Yes, wings. Flapping its wings. Okay, very good. Next. It is flying towards its nest. The bird has found its dash. അപ്പോൾ സ്മോൾ ബേർഡ് ചിറകടിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് അതിൻ്റെ കൂട്ടിലേക്ക് പോവുകയാണ്. ദി ബേർഡ് ഹാസ് ഫൗണ്ട് ഇറ്റ്സ് ഡാഷ്. ബേർഡ് എന്തു കണ്ടു? എന്താ കണ്ടത് ഇവിടെ? യെസ്, ഇറ്റ്സ് ഷെൽട്ടർ. ഓക്കെ, ഡു യു അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? The bird has found its shelter. Okay. Dear children, do you understand the story? Do you remember Three Butterflies story? Okay. Let's look. All of you look page number 47. Here give some clues. Please you say who said this. Okay. First one. No dear, I won't stay here. Sending away my friends in dismay. Who said this? Yes, white butterfly. White butterfly said that no dear, I won't stay here. Sending away my friends in dismay. Okay, very good. Okay, let's look next one. Sunflower, it's raining heavily. Shall we stay here till the rain is over? Do you remember who said this? Who said this? Yes, all the three butterflies. All the three butterflies said that sunflower, it's raining heavily. Shall we stay here till the rain is over? Okay, let's look next one. Okay, let's look next one. My favorite fellows, the red and yellow ones. You can stay with me till it stops raining. My favorite fellows, the red and yellow ones. You can stay with me till it stops raining. Who said this? Do you remember? Yes, the sunflower. The sunflower said that my favorite fellows, the red and yellow ones. You can stay with me till it stops raining. Okay, let's look next one. But I can let in here only the white one. But I can let in here only the white one. Who said this? Yes, the white lily. Okay, dear children, let's look next activity. I think everyone understands the story Three Butterflies. Do you remember the events in the story? Yes? Okay, you can now complete the sentences by supplying suitable words. Okay, all of you look at the picture. What do you see here? All of you look here. Yes, we can see a butterfly. Please look in the center of the butterfly. We can see 4 words here. Please read. First one, plate. Next, place. Next one, look. And last one, wet. Dear children, please look at the butterfly's wings. Please look at the butterfly's wings. We can see 4 sentences here. But these sentences are not complete. Please complete the sentences by supplying suitable words. Okay? Please look. First sentence. Please read. The sun was dash to see the love and care among the butterflies. The sun was dash. Which is suitable word here? Please look. Yes, please. Please. Okay, read this sentence. The sun was placed to see the love and care among the butterflies. Okay, let's look next sentence. The 3 butterflies got dash in the rain. The 3 butterflies got dash. Which is suitable word here? Yes, wet. Please read the sentence. The 3 butterflies got wet in the rain. Okay, very good. Let's look next sentence. The butterflies dash for shelter. The butterflies dash. It is suitable word. Yes, looked. The butterflies looked for shelter. Okay, let's look last sentence. The 3 butterflies dash in the garden. The 3 butterflies. Okay, which is correct word here? Which is suitable word here? Yes, played. The 3 butterflies played in the garden. Okay, very good. I give one more task for you. Let me color the wings with the first event of the story yellow. The one with the second blue. The one with the third red. And the last one green. Okay? ഈ സെൻറ്റൻസ് കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യണം? ഈ സെൻറ്റൻസിലെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇവൻറ്റ്, നമ്മുടെ സ്റ്റോറിയിലെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇവൻ്റായി വരുന്നത് ഇതിൽ ഏതാണോ അതിന് നിങ്ങൾ യെല്ലോ കളർ ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ, സെക്കൻഡ് ഇവൻറ്റ് ബ്ലൂ, സെക്കൻഡ് ഇവൻറ്റിന് ബ്ലൂ കളർ കൊടുക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, തേർഡ് ഇവൻറ്റിന് റെഡ് ഇൻ കളർ. ഓക്കെ, റെഡ് കളർ ചെയ്യുക. ആൻഡ് ദി ലാസ്റ്റ് വൺ green. Okay. Okay, dear children, do you understand today's class? Do you understand all activities? Okay, I give some activities for you. Write these activities in your textbook only. Write these activities in your textbook only. Page number 46. Activity 1, page number 46. My words. Look at the picture carefully and fill in the blanks in the passage with suitable words from the box given below. This is activity 1. Activity 2. Who said this? Page number 47. Who said this? Okay. Then activity 3. Complete the sentences by supplying suitable words. Page number 48. These are textbook activities. Write these activities in your textbook only. Okay? Then all of you take your notebook. Please take your notebook. Okay. Then collect the beings, pictures and paste in your notebook and write a short description about it. Okay. Activity 2. Make sentences using the following words. Okay. Write these 2 activities in your notebook. Okay. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much. See you in the next class.